Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Nick Garisto. Nick is running for Deputy Mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for joining me today, Nick.
Thank you, Brad, for giving me this opportunity. Thanks very much.
So today I want to talk about some of the past councillor concerns, roadblocks that may have come up, that the average voter may have some concerns that the council isn't working together as cohesive as it could be. What would you do moving forward personally to help resolve these issues?
Thank you, Brad. I tried my best in the last 4 years to accomplish and work with other members of the council. Yes, this past term has been a challenge, has been challenging, but many great initiatives were completed. I would like to see the council-elect have a workshop to get an understanding of the priorities of all members, what is important to them and the voters. That is one way of accomplish this relationship right from the get-go. It's so important that we get to know each other. You tell me what is your priority, and I tell you what my priorities, and then we set an agenda for the next 4 years. And this is the way I would like to approach this term of council. But I can tell you though, with this council and the committees I serve on, because myself, I served on 5 committees for the town, major committees. One of them is, the Economic Development Committee for the town, the BIA, the Business Improvement for the downtown, Communities in Bloom, Transit, Property Standard. All this, they are major committees. And I want to tell you, myself as a member, inclusive of my committee members on the economic, I'm proud to let the voters know the town has accomplished what I promised 4 years ago is being accomplished on my behalf. We end up, since 2011 census, 1,175 new jobs is being created in the town of Orangeville. We actually beat Ontario in numbers, 18.8% in manufacturing, compared to Ontario, 1% in the last 4 years. And also, businesses, over 650 brand new business open up in our town, and especially in the last 4 years. So it's been a tremendous accomplishment. I didn't do it alone. Like I said, my committee members and in cohesive with the council supporting the ideas, we were able to accomplish that. So I'm very proud of those accomplishments because that was one of the things I promised in the last election. Jobs, jobs, jobs. And they came.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for clearing that up and coming here today. And if you'd like to see some more of what Nick has to say, please do check out the links below. And thank you for watching.